Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to investigate whether the Instagram sends you a notification when someone screenshots your story or not. So first of all, I already made a story from one of my other accounts, and now I'm going to just open this story right here from one of my other accounts, and I'm just going to make a screenshot right here. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I already made that screenshot to this story. So I'm going back to the account from which I have posted the story, and let's see if I have got any new notification. So as you can see right here, I am back to the account from which I have posted the story, and if I go to the notifications right here, as you can see, there is no new notification that tells me someone screenshot my story. And right here, if I go and just open the story right here, I can see who saw this story of mine, but again, there is no notification or indication that someone screenshot the story. So basically, Instagram doesn't have that option to check if someone screenshot your story. But however, if I go to the message option and I just open a random conversation and just make a photo. Okay, so I'm making a random photo right here, and I just send it to my other account, and now I'm going to switch to the account that I have sent that photo to. Okay, so right here, if I tap on this option, view photo right here, just a second. So if I tap on that photo and just I make a screenshot right here real quick. Okay, so I just made a screenshot. Well, as you can see right here, I already got a notification that someone took a screenshot of the photo that I have made. So basically right here, the thing is that you can see if someone screenshot a photo that you sent through the messages, but you cannot see if someone took a screenshot of your Instagram story. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.